In geography, globalization is defined as a set of processes, economic, social, cultural, technological, and institutional, that contribute to the relationship between the societies and individuals around the world. It is a progressive process by which exchanges and flows between different parts of the world are intensified. Globalization is a process of interaction and integration among the people, companies, and governments of different nations, a process driven by international trade and investment and aided by information technology. This process has effects on the environment, on culture, on political systems, on economic development and prosperity, and on human physical well-being in societies around the world. Globalization is deeply controversial. However, proponents of globalization argue that it allows poor countries and their citizens to develop economically and raise their standards of living, while opponents of globalization claim that the creation of unfettered international free market has benefited multinational corporations in the Western world at the expense of local enterprises, local cultures, and common people. Resistance to globalization has therefore taken shape both at a popular and at a governmental level as people and governments try to manage the flow of capital, labor, goods, and ideas that constitute the current wave of globalization. Globalization, existence in a globally integrated and fully interdependent system, is the process as it is developed, obligated by nature's relentlessly ongoing evolution. Evolution is not a random process, but it is a predetermined, driving the whole natural system towards a most optimal integration between its diverse, seemingly incompatible parts and elements. And since humanity is one of the species in nature obligated to follow nature's laws and its development plan, globalization affects us as well. This incompatibility between our actual evolutionary conditions, global integration, interdependence, our inherently egocentric, individualistic, subjective viewpoint is the root cause of all the problems we are facing now. So it is in our best interest to start a unique, purposely and highly practical educational method which can help us understand, moreover, tangibly feel what globalization truly means or how we can adapt it. That's all for my opinion about globalization as a process.